Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to fix Windows 11 freezing issue by the simplest way. Here is my machine, and my machine is brand new machine. There is no problem with the hardware. My hard disk is new, motherboard is new, all components are brand new, and there is no problem with the hardware. Our problem is very simple. Our problem is power saving settings. In some time, power saving settings freeze our Windows 11 PC. That is our problem, and we are going to solve this problem by the simplest way. Go to the start and type control panel and click on the control panel. Here is our control panel. In control panel, find power options. Find power options. Click on the power options. In power option, we check or select two plans, balance plan or power saver. Go to the plan that you select. I select the balance. Go to the balance or the power saver. Here we find change plan settings. Click on the change plan settings. In change plan settings, here we find change advanced power settings. Click on the change advanced power settings. Here is our power options. Minimize it. Here we find our power options. In power options, find PCI Express. Find PCI Express, expand it. Here we find new option, link state power management. Expand it. Here we find settings. In settings, click at here. If you find moderate power settings, or if you find maximize power saving, moderate power savings or maximize power saving, change it to off. Apply it. Click on OK. Now restart your machine and your problem is 110% solved. So guys, this is the simplest way to fix Windows 11 freezing issue by the simplest way. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.